Okay. So like I said, this class is a repeat of Monday, meaning we are doing the song that we are going to do in RPM. So even if you have sung on Monday, you can still sing today, but you will sing after the people who are not on Monday. Let them sing first, and then you can sing. Okay.
Can I go
Uh, uh,
first?
sorry. So we will do without music like Monday, and we'll do without music. We'll continue with the without music next Monday and Thursday, and the following week we will start the
Music.
with the karaoke. I mean, the point is that until the end of next week, you really become extremely good in the song without music. So you know the words, you know the tune, you know everything is done. O karo. And then starting this coming Tuesday, we'll start Ganesh Pancharatnam for Ganesh Chaturthi ke liye. If anybody is interested, you can join. I know with lots of things, but this time it's only two, one song and one Ganesh Pancharatnam.
Ramba, is there any date in September which date we are going to do?
Yeah, 26th.
26.
26.
Yeah, 26th Thursday. It's a fixed date. We have decided that in March. All
But
4 years, and
yeah.
then next is in December. So every 3 months we are doing it, so that we get enough time to practice and do, and also practice other songs. Okay, ready? All right. Let me turn off the mic. Okay. All right. Um,
Can I go? Because I didn't sing on last Monday.
yeah. Last Monday you did from Lisbon, na? No.
No, I didn't sing it, anything. No,
Oh, okay. You only attended.
I don't think so. No.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I'm sure,
Yeah.
So the first time not doing the alap, when I'm doing the music, I will start the alap.
Yeah.
जब दीप आना जब शाम ढले आना जब दीप चले आना जब शाम ढले आना संकेत मिलन का भूल न जाना मेरा प्यार ना बिसराना जब दीप जले आना जब शाम ढले आना मैं पलक न डगर बुहारूंगा सॉरी तेरी राह निहारूंगा मैं पलक न डगर बुहारूंगा तेरी राह निहारूंगा मेरी प्रीत का काजल तुम अपने नैनों में मले आना जब शाम ढले आना जहाँ पहली बार मिले थे हम जिस जगह से संग चले थे हम जहाँ पहली बार मिले थे हम जिस जगह से संग चले थे हम नदिया की किनारे आज उसी अमवा के तले आना जब दीप जले आना जब शाम ढले आना, नी रे ग म ग रे सा सा नी प प म रे ग सनी स ग प म प, नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं, सॉरी आई टू चेंज इट, नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं, उन्हें देख के तारे खिलते हैं, नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं, उन्हें देख के तारे खिलते हैं, लेते हैं विदा एक दूजों से, कहते हैं चले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना. सॉरी.
इसमें फर्स्ट इज दैट
बराबर नहीं गा सकी आज, नहीं बराबर गा सकी मैं.
no, don't worry about that. The first thing is you are able to sing the song fairly well. इस ये गाने में क्या है कि like unlike some of the other song, all the three paragraphs are slightly differently tuned. मैं पलकन डगर बुहारूंगा, उसके बाद गैप है, उसके बाद तेरी राह, और देन देन उसका जो नेक्स्ट वाला जो है वो अलग है, एंड देन हेमलता का तीसरा वाला जो पैराग्राफ है इज अ प्रीटी हाई पिच,
Yeah,
वो अलग है, एंड दैट्स वेयर यू आर ट्राइंग टू गो टू द हाई पिच,
yeah.
एंड या
अभी
बिकॉज
next.
yeah, so you'll have to be, so you'll have to figure out what makes most from a singing perspective, your own throat perspective, ki which scale is better for you, so that your total song you can drop it down. I can change the pitch of the karaoke if needed.
Yeah.
Okay. But let's see, once you get the music, how
Yeah.
it goes. Yeah. And also अभी आपने बहुत आइसक्रीम वगैरह खाया है तो वो भी
नहीं, ये सच बोलते हैं आप, सच्चे बोलते हैं, really.
yeah.
I don't know what happened my throat, you know.
Yeah, don't worry. So we will start with the music, because right now I want you to sing comfortably in your own scale, not in the scale of the original song. I mean, not necessarily in the, so that this way you're not stressing yourself on the thing. So because it's important to sing nicely in your own scale, regardless of how the actual song ka scale is.
Yeah.
And then we can always drop down the pitch if need be. Yeah. Okay.
I will do it next time. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right. Who wants to go next? So who was not there on Monday? Ranjan Ben was there, Champa Ben was there, Jyoti Ben was there. Kashmira, you want to go? Kashmira? Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Rambai. I'm just going to sing on the laptop mic. Is that okay?
Yeah, no, it's fine. Yeah. Which is which song you're singing?
Jai Ho Shankara.
Jai Ho Shankara. Okay.
जय हो शंकरा, आदिदेव शंकरा, तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह, मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला, तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आँख मूंद के चला, तेरे नाम की ज्योत ने सारा लिया तमस मेरा, नमो नमो जय शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकरा, नमो नमो जय शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा, सृष्टि के जन्म से भी पहले तेरा वास था, ये जग रहे या जिस तरह मेरे मन में शंकरा तू बसा है उस तरह मुझे भरम था जो है मेरा था कभी नहीं मेरा अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या जो भी है सभी तेरा तेरे सामने है झुका मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा चंद्रमा ललाट पे भस्म है भुजाओं में वस्त्र पाग छाल का है खड़ा पाँव में प्यास क्या हो तुझे गंगा ही तेरी जटाओं में जटाओं में जटाओं में दूसरों के वास्ते तू सदैव ही जिया मांगा कुछ कभी नहीं तूने सिर्फ है दिया समुद्र मंथन का था समय जो आ पड़ा द्वंद दोनों लोक में विषमृत पे था छिड़ा अमृत सभी में बांट के प्याला विष का तूने खुद पिया नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा
Okay, that is very good. I would say the whole song is pretty nice.
Thank you.
No, no issues. It's just you will just need to polish it. So with music, it will be nice. If you need to adjust the pitch or something, we can do that. Okay.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah. There was one. No, actually, no. I think everything. Isme is something that you can try to work on. Because since you're fairly comfortable with the song, इसका जो भाव जो है ना इस गाने का भाव पर मतलब try to understand the meaning of the song so that your tonal quality. See, singing good is one thing. So two people can say well, right? Like perfectly fine. But when you hear to the Mukesh ka some song, it really touches you. So what is the magic, right? So the magic is his voice is acting, right? I mean, his fact, अगर sad as a sad situation में उनका जो tonal quality change हो जाता है, it based on the song. Based on the lyrics of the song and the situation of the thing. So I think इसमें जय हो शंकरा. In some places he is actually hissing. So those kind of things, So now now that your song is good, you can start focusing on some of these things, which will make the song sound better and better and better. I mean, because that is ultimately the goal, right? I mean, the goal is to make sure. Yeah. Okay. उसको भाव बोलते हैं. Yeah. Good. Who else was not there? Let's see. 11 का हो गया. Hansa Ben was there, Lata was there, Vinod Bhai was there, Indra Ben, then Chandan Ben, then Meenakshi Parekh. Meenakshi, you were there, right? Yeah, so you're there. I think Indra Ben and Chandan Ben, and then we'll go with the rest of them. So Indra Ben, you want to go? Okay.
I learned only 3 paragraphs.
Sure. Oh, so how many paragraphs are there? So which one you are doing, Indra Ben? Sorry.
Karta dukh harta.
Oh, Om Gan Ganapati. Okay. So only 3. It only has 3 anyway.
We only have 3, yeah?
3. Yeah. But you're doing also the Om Gan Ganapati, meaning the Vakratundaya, Om Gan Ganapati, and Sukha Karta Dukha Harta, right? You're doing all 3, right?
I'm doing Sukkarta only today. I
Okay.
don't know.
Okay. Today, yeah. But you have to do so that the thing starts from, you know, उसके बाद फिर then वक्रतुंड है, then Om Gan Ganapataye Namo Namah.
I want
That
to
is the
see
whole thing.
that in your video for
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Okay. We'll do that. The first two are simpler anyway.
Okay. सुकर्ता दुखर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयासी सर्वांगी सुंदर उटी शेंद्राची कंठे चलकी माल मुक्ता फलाची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन माटे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव रत्न खचित फला तुझ गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची उटी कुमकुम केशरा हिरे जडित मुकट शोभत बरा रुणझुणती नूपुरे चरणी दागरिया जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन माटे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव लंबोदर पीतांबर फळीवर बंदना सरळ सोंड वक्रतुंड ते नैना दास रामाच्या वाट पाहे सदना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन माटे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव
Yeah, so Indraben, that was really nice. You're fairly there. There are only a few, so every paragraph, do it separately, listen and look at the lyrics and make sure that there are no mistakes. अगर mistakes है तो उस mistake को correct करना. लंबोदर पीतांबर फणिवर वंदना सरल सौंड वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना दास रामाचा वाट पाहे सदना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना जय. So that like all those kind of things you already know 90% of it for sure, which I'm really happy to hear the way you did without music. That means with music it will sound nicely. So do that and make sure you learn one paragraph. Don't try to do 2 and 3. Learn the first one. Listen, record, and make sure everything is corrected properly and the way it should sound. Listen to the original one, and then do 2 and then 3. Okay. All right. Good. This is good. It's going to sound nice. Yeah. All right. And first maybe I think. सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उतिशेंडुराची कंठी झळके मळ मुक्ता फळांची. वो जो है there are few some of those things where just make sure that you have the correct lyrics first. I have sent you were there in the previous class, right? I mean when we learned this, right?
Yeah, I was
right. So उस टाइम का जो lyrics है, please just follow that.
And I want to whole video what I have to do. In YouTube you have that?
Yeah, yes, I have it. If you want, I can send it to you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I'll send it to you. Okay. Chandraman, you want to go?
Yes, Rambai, I have not learned all, but
Sure.
I'm just trying to learn piece by piece, yeah.
Which one you're doing, Chandraman? Sorry, actually, let me see. Oh, Nigahe.
Gigahe,
Okay.
which is so difficult for me.
No, don't worry, because we are in the beginning stage. Yeah, but it is better to learn piece by piece properly. But you know,
Yeah, yeah.
so if you
I've
want
just
to do
learned
only the mukda today, do the mukda. I mean, so I'm not sure if you have done the alap
I
plus the initial
yeah,
portion and the
I'm
mukda.
just yeah, I'm just going to do the adlib first and then the mukhra. That's it.
Yeah. Do
Fine.
whatever you think it's there. Yeah, because it's important to do this thing because it's a tricky song. So
Yeah,
okay.
because when I do it with the track, then I'm okay.
Yeah.
But I just
Yeah,
need to learn it properly.
It's like when you fly without the air,
Yes,
it is like
I
you're flying in vacuum.
yeah.
So yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah, 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 राज की बातें महफिल में कहे या ना कहे बस गया है कोई इस दिल में कहे या ना कहे कहे या ना कहे निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है हो निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है दिलो जा लुटाने को जी चाहता है जी चाहता है दिलो जा लुटाने को जी चाहता है This much I have done. You're muted.
Sorry. First of all, it was nice. Like all three, pieces were nice. I'm sure this is going to take some time for the alap and the initial part, and then the mukda to smoothen it out because Asha Bhosle is Asha Bhosle, right? But at the same time, this is not something that is too difficult, So we have enough time. Like ऐसा नहीं कि हमको एक हफ्ते में करना है. So I'm pretty sure you should be able to do it. So इसमें वो जो द थिंग दैट आई वांटेड टू मेक श्योर कि उसका जो मुकड़ा पार्ट है निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है ओ निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है दिलों जा लुटाने को जी चाहता so it is and the beauty is once you crack this one इसका first paragraph almost is like this only इसका जो first paragraph है ना is pretty much is a replica of the like of the mukda part थोड़ा अलग है obviously but it is fairly this only then the problem starts then थोड़ा song थोड़ा टेढ़ी चीज है उसके बाद but so at a minimum your initial part of the song you can certainly crack fairly quickly I think because the way you are right now done and so what you're doing is correct so let's make sure that this is not perfect but fairly good then you go to the paragraph 1 then you do from the beginning to the paragraph 1 then from the beginning to the paragraph 2 then from the this way by the time you're done with the paragraph 3 the initial portions would have been repeated so many times, it would become very solid. But at the same time, you don't want to do all the song until your initial things are, your foundation is good. So I think this, I'm pretty sure, song will come nice to you. Yeah.
Because the second paragraph has got the alap again.
Correct. उसमें आलाप है, then तीसरे में सरगम है. So
Yeah.
then they all go.
I
yeah,
can say the sargam, but
Yeah.
I have not tried it with the song yet.
Correct. No, that is when it becomes. Yeah. Good. Okay. And you will do with the karaoke or without karaoke?
No, I'll do it with the karaoke.
Yeah, with the karaoke, because so with the karaoke means you're bounded by the time. So then it becomes tricky to do. Yeah. Okay. Good. Is there anybody else who was not in the class on Monday and have not sung right now? Probably not, right? I think the rest all were. Okay. Who wants to go then? Ranjan man, you want to go? Yeah. Okay.
I got no light in my room because there's some electric work is going in my house, and if
But
some
we can,
electric switch
yeah,
is
we
on,
can
I
see you.
can
Yeah, we can see
मैंने
you
अपने
properly.
मोबाइल की लाइट ऑन की है ना.
Ah,
Okay, I'm going to sing a song, Hanuman Chalisa.
just take a deep breath, and because Hanuman Chalisa, I mean again, like I said, bhav, right? We are. So this is a praise of Lord Hanuman, right? Tulsidas ka, लिखा हुआ है like 800 years ago. So keep that in mind कि you are singing to Lord Hanuman, and so that the tone of the voice will come like that. Then, okay.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारी बरनउँ रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायकु फल चारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जान के सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहे हरहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोग उजागर राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नाम महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंदन कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन विद्यमान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सिंह दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियारे श्री रघुवीर हरषि उर लाए रघुपति की नहीं बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई सहस बदन तम रोजस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिंसा यम कुबेर दिगपाल चाहते कभी को बिद कही सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव हिम किन्हा राम मिलाए राजपद दिन्हा तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु लिलियो ताहि मधुर फल जानू प्रभु मुद्रिका मिली मुख माहि चलती लांदी गए अचरज नाही, दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे तेते, राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे, सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना, अपना तेज समारो आपे, तीन लोग हाँकते कापे, भूत पिचास निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे, नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा, संकट से हनुमान छोड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे, सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे, चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, हे प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा, साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे, अष्ट सिद्ध नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दीना जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुमरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा, तुम्हारो भजन राम को भावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाए, और देवता चित्तन धरिए, हनुमंत से सर्व सुख करिए, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीर, जो सुमिरे हनुमंत बलबीर, जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई, ये 7 बार पाठ कर जोई, छुट्टी बंदी महासुख होई, जो ये पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्धि साखी गौरी सा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेला, खींचो नाथ हृदय महडेरा, पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसो सूरभूप, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।
Good, very good. You obviously know it very well. Yeah. So, I mean, like, I know you recite this very, very regularly. So, I don't know how much more you can make it better, because you have been at it. Because you have been doing this for a while, right? I mean, you're part of the previous class also for Hanuman Chalisa. So,
नहीं, ये हनुमान चालीसा ना मैं पहले हमारी कम्युनिटी में था ना, जूम होता था, तो आई यूज्ड टू सिंग एवरी मंडे, देन आई स्टॉप्ड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट सिंगिंग वंस एवरी डे, सो आई विल गेट इट बैक, बिकॉज बीच बीच में मेरे को थोड़ा लाइन कंटिन्यूज रखने, तो आई ब्रीदिंग में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता ना,
okay.
सो आई ट्राई टू ब्रीथ इन बिटवीन, बट वो पता चल जाता सबको, आई एम स्टॉप्ड बीच में,
No worries. Yeah.
आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई माय बेस्ट।
Okay. All right, good. But I really don't have any suggestions, except that making it, those kind of things, like make it smoother and everything. Because you know the lyrics, you know the words, nicely. So those are not the thing. But making it sound, because Hanuman Chalisa, unlike say Nigahe Milane Ko or some other song, which we are following a specific tune. But Hanuman Chalisa is not like that. There are so many tunes, and you are following a specific tune. Just follow it to the best you can.
I can sing nicely on a track, but like you said, it's too long.
No, because you see, I mean, I was timing it. This itself is
Yeah, I know.
it's
Ramba,
exactly
it's too
6
long.
minutes. So So unfortunately, we won't have time. Yeah.
Okay, then I'll try my best. इतना तो
Okay.
मैं कर सकती हूँ. I'll try all my
Yeah.
best.
No, I'm sure you will do it. You're already doing pretty nice. Yeah.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
Rambai.
Sure. Yeah. Who wants to go next? Champa Ben? Yeah.
I was singing पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रेन बताई पूछो ना कैसे so I have changed little bit पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रेन बिताई
Correct. Because
that is
that's how
correct.
that's how the पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन so line 2 is different from line 1.
No, I hope I manage it. Okay.
No, I'm sure it will come. That is why we are practicing. So we are only in week 1, so don't worry.
पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रेन बिताई पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रेन बिताई एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता जुग बीते मोहे नींद न आई पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रेन बिताई उत जल दीपक इत मन मेरा फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा उत चल दीपक इत मन मेरा मन मेरा मेरा उत जल दीपक इत मन मेरा फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा तरपत तरसत उमर गवाए पूछो न कैसे मैंने रेन बिताई पूछो न कैसे मैंने रेन बिताई ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे ज्योत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बेचारे ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे ज्योत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बेचारे भोर भी आस की किरण न लाई पूछो न कैसे मैंने रेन बिताई पूछो न कैसे मैंने रेन बिताई
Arey wah. Believe me, much better than Monday.
Okay.
And it's good. See, one thing I don't want you to, because I don't want you to like mentally learn something that is wrong, which is इसमें only first time जब पूछो ना कैसे वो मतलब पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रे वो जो स्टाइल जो है वो only the very first line, first time, that's it. All other lines are पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रे वो कैसे जो है उसको खींचते हैं पूछो ना कैसे मैंने so don't keep saying पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रेन बिताई that is not how it is. Okay.
That I before I used to sing the second lines are like that.
Uh-huh.
First, okay.
Okay, so only the first line पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रे because उसमें क्या है कि वो तबला का एक रिंग दिया है वो तबला का रिंग मतलब it is a fast loop and that's why but rest of the lines are पूछो ना कैसे आराम से कुछ नहीं है और इसका like निगाहे में इसका हर एक और जबदीप जैसा जो गाना है, इसमें both the paragraphs are is set to different tunes. It is not the same tune. So जो first जो paragraph है, दले दीपक उत्मन मेरा, वो जो है थोड़ा ट्रिकी है, वो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा आपको वो अच्छी तरह से लाइक आने के लिए, क्योंकि और वो आना लाइक अच्छे आना चाहिए, बिकॉज अहिर भैरव जो राग है वो बहुत बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है. इट इज़ अ नाइट टाइम राग, एंड सो you will sound nice because it is both उसके pitch is also high. So what I would suggest is do the alankar. Do the alankar for 10 minutes and then sing the song.
Any alankar or 1, 2, 3?
For now any alankar is fine, because all alankars hit the upper sa, because all the alankars we have chosen, it goes all the way from lower sa to the upper sa, except some go beyond the upper sa to the upper re and upper ga. So maybe if you want, I can suggest that. Actually, that might probably really help you out with opening the throat in such a way that आपको इसका जो first paragraph में वो pitch सही तरह से आएगा. It will become easier. The alankars will open your throat, and then immediately sing. It will be nice.
I think third alankar, sa re ga re.
I will. No, it's not. No. Any alankar is fine, to be honest. So for now, you do it until I send it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm not even sure if I have really taught that. Probably not, because we have the first 10 alankars we have chosen doesn't cross the upper sa. Upper re, upper ga, upper ma touch nahi karta hai. So I don't think I've done that, because we have to first get ready for the lower sa to the upper sa before we change scale.
Okay, you send and I will practice.
Yeah, sure. No, just choose any alankar. Don't wait for me to send anything.
Okay.
Okay, so that should be good enough. Yeah. Okay, yes, Jyotiben. Then Hansa can go. Jyotiben, which song you're doing? Sri Ramachandra Kripalu, right? Okay.
Well, I'm trying with mic. Let's see.
Sure. Keep a little bit of echo.
Yep. Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajaman Haran Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajaman Haran Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Navakanjalochana Kanjamukakar Kanjapad Kanjarunam. Sri Ram, Sri Ram. Kandarpa Ganita
No, Jyotiben, no. Kandarpa Ganita.
Then upar.
Yeah, correct.
Kandarpa Ganita Amita Chabinavar.
Kandarpa Ganita Amita Chavi Navanila Nirad. Yeah, okay.
Kandarpa Aganita Amita Chabi Navanila Nirada Sundaram Patapita Manavu Tadita Ruchi Suchi Naumi Janaka Sutavaram. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana Harana Bhavaya Darunam. Sri Ram, Sri Ram. Bhajadina Bandhu Dinesha Dana Daitya Vansani Kandanam Raghunananda Kanda Kaush कौशल चंद्र दशरथ नंदनम श्रीरामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम श्रीराम श्रीराम सिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषणम आजानुभुज सर चापधर संग्राम जित कर दूषणम श्रीरामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम श्रीराम श्रीराम इति वदति तुलसी दास शंकर शेष मुनि मन रंजनम मम हृदय कुंज निवास कुरु कामादिखल दल गंजनम श्रीरामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम श्रीराम श्रीराम
There was a big change from Monday. Good, it's pretty good. इसका जो there's so many times I mean a few times I've taught this, and everyone seems to have this problem with the first जो paragraph जो है उसका एक कंदर्प गणित है. For some reason the way I think the tune is set is statistically for majority of us it doesn't somehow doesn't fit, and again this is Ahir Bhairav by the way, Rag, and it's a tricky one. So इसमें sometimes the notes का जो the way the composition is done, it is a tricky one, and for अपने क्लास में almost everybody had a problem with that specific line, and then rest of the thing they're fine because it is a continuously up. वो ये जो है line में, because since it is recording I will sing those two lines Jyoti Ben, so that you get it correctly. Okay,
Thank
so
you, thank you.
yeah, so it should sound something like this.
Plus, I think, are you going to send me the lower scale or something for me?
Just one second.
Okay.
Yeah, I will do that. But before that, let's see how it is, sounding and how you feel on, like on the original, karaoke, and then I will drop it to your thing. And definitely, I can do that. Yeah. But first, I want to make sure that you are trying to do your best. Okay. So ये जो दो लाइन है ना, let me try to do. कंदर्प गणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरज सुंदरम पटपीत मानहु तडित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम Sri Ramachandra. So this is how it flows. I just wanted to have the recording here. This way you can hear it, and yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. I think that is fine. Okay. Hansaben and then Lataben. Is that okay? If you can go after Hansaben. Lataben, you want to go now? Do you have to go out? Go. Lataben?
Yeah,
You want to
can
go
go
now? Or is it okay to do it after Hansa?
Yeah, I'll do it after her anyway.
Okay.
You sure?
Okay.
Are you sure, Lata Ben?
Yeah,
Yeah.
after him. Yeah.
And Vinod bhai, because I see that you have raised your hand. So can you wait or do you want to go now? Vinod bhai?
He's not there.
I've got very low battery, that's why I only.
Or so you want to go now?
if I can.
Yeah, sure, of course, of course. Hansaben, is it okay, right? I mean, in which
Yeah,
order?
yeah.
Yeah, please
Yeah.
go ahead. Yeah.
I'll go with जनगण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य विमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाये तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है जय हिंद
That it's sounding really nice. Vinod bhai, I'm sure in the next 4 or 5 weeks, along with the music and everything, it will be really nice. Both you and Suresh bhai are going to sound really fantastic. It would.
Sorry, I had to go today because I was watching my battery was 20% only. Sorry.
Chandraman is okay.
I was put on charge, but I will stay with till the end. Don't worry.
Okay, sure. Okay. Chandraman, I got your message. Okay. Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Hansaben and then Lataben.
Okay. All right. Jai Shri Krishna to everybody.
Thank you, Hansaben.
I'm singing Ekadantaya, Gananayakaya.
Yeah.
गणनायकाय गणदेवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरुवे गुणगुरुवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्र गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गुडगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीतश्रेयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेयचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृते गायकादीन विग्रहाय गङ्गाचलप्रणयवते गौरीस्थानन्दयाय गौरीहृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरी तनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्री गणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरी तनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्री गणेशाय धीमहि. Thank you.
Very good. A big
That's it.
improvement. Yeah, a big improvement from last time, and fairly good. Some of those वो जो slight rough spots है वो smooth हो जाएगा अभी in जाते जाते. Yeah. So when you're practicing small piece at a time and making sure that it's correct. अगर correct नहीं है तो re-sing it. अगर समझो in a ग्रंथ ये जो भी है whatever mistake you make, so make sure that you learn those two lines again and again and again.
Okay.
and fix it, and yeah, that's it. So but you already got a fairly good grip on the song.
The words were all right today.
Fairly good, that's what I'm saying, fairly good.
Yes.
For you to get, because see, remember one thing, it is Bhagavan ka hai, so you have to it is not 90%, 90% is not good enough, right? I mean, it is Bhagavan ka naam hai. See, मैं हर वक्त यही बोलता हूँ कि समझो कि आपके सामने राम जी बैठे and you are doing the Sri Ram Chandra Kripalu. How can you dare to do anything wrong? So it is not 90, because one word either or there, it changes the whole meaning of the line. So that is the dedication, and that's the thing required for a divine song. Not 99% is not enough.
Yeah. I put my headphones today and
that's good. No, you did really well. No, you did pretty well. You have
and
learned.
I also got the speaker, but I have to suss out how it's going to be. I've never used it, I'm going to use it first time.
Yeah, it will be nice. You add a little bit echo, it will sound, and also with like enough what do you call, composure and enough एकदम आराम से ठंडा इसमें से deep breath लेके गाने का, yeah, then it'll be fine.
Thank you. We'll try my best.
No, I'm sure.
Thank you. Okay, thanks.
Okay, Lata Ben, and then Meenakshi Parekh, and the other Lata and Madhu Ben. Okay.
पूछो ना कैसे.
Okay. All right.
Rambhai, do you want me to sing say the Sargam as well of Ahir Bhairav?
Yeah, if you are ready, yeah.
Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa That's the Sargam of Ahir Bhairav. पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, जुग बीते मोहिनी न आई, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, उतजल दीपक चित मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा, उतजल दीपक इत मन मेरा, मन मेरा मेरा, उतजल दीपक इत मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा, तरपत तरसत उम्र गवाई, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, जोत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बिचारे, ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, जोत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बिचारे, भोर भी आशिकी किरण न लाई, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई.
Very good. It is. So before I give the comment, I just want to apologize. Rag Ahir Bhairav is an early morning rag. It is not a night rag. I think I previously did a mistake in telling, because that is why if you look at the wording of this song, क्या है उसमें? The second में भोर भी आ सके. Bhor is like morning. आ सके. किरण and light. Bhor means early morning. Even early morning ki asaki, meaning something good feel ki kiran nalai. So it's an early morning. I mean, in short, it's an early morning rag. Ahir Bhairav. So anyway, Lataben, you really sang pretty well, and I think more than so. I don't want to compare this with the original song, because you have your own style of delivery, though it is close to the original one, but you're going to be using your own keyboard. So I think it's going to sound great. It's going to sound nice. And yeah. So looking forward to that. Just the ala portion can be smoothened out probably, or it might be probably fine once you have the keyboard. It will become better, because
I think with the harmonium, it will be.
With the harmonium, alaps are always difficult without any support.
Because the alap is the alap is उत जल दीपक रे this रे सा मेरा it goes like that मेरा नि धा पा it goes like that रे सा नि धा पा it goes like that dialogue.
Yeah, I know. I'm sure you'll be fine.
It's very difficult.
Yeah. Who is Madhuben? Okay.
Sorry, Ram Bhai, I have to leave now.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Don't worry.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Rambai, we have to sing with the karaoke.
No, we are not singing with karaoke.
No, not today, but on the program.
Not Hanuman Chalisa.
No,
Yeah,
just like that.
as it is long, so we don't have time for the karaoke.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, let me think now because the music is going.
Yeah.
1 second.
So
1 second.
so essentially we can't use the music. The only music you can use, which pretty much none of you are really used to, is the Tanpura.
Okay.
But if you're not used to Tanpura, then no other music, because it's a pretty long.
Yeah. Okay, I'll try.
Okay.
But let me see. श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार बरनउँ रघुवर विमल जस जोदायक फल चार बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेस विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर राम दूत यतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संग कंचन बरन विराज सुवेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ बज और ध्वजा बिराजे कांधे मूज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि रंग जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर सहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर रसिउर लावे रघुपति की नहीं बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत समभाई सहस्र भजन तुम यस गावे यस कई श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सतईसा यम कुबेर दिखपाल जाते कभी कोविद कह सके जाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम मिलाए राजपद दीना तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना योज सहस्र जोजन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मिली मुख माई चल दिलाच गए अचरज नाई, दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम रे ते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवाले, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख रहे तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज सवारो आपे, तीनों लोक हकते कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमंत बीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा, मैं पर सीत जगत उजियाला। साधु संत के तुम रखवाले, असुर निकंदन राम दुलार। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुमरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुमरो भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाई, जाचन मरि भक्त काय। और देवता चित नव धरिए, हनुमंत सेवे सर्व सुख करिए। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमंत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटे बंदी सुख हो। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय डेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरणं, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसो सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। बोलो रे भाई सब संतन की जय। थैंक यू।
It's very good. Madhuben, that was really nice. It's good. And I was just thinking, I will check with Ranjan Ben also. If both of you can do the same tune, then and if you live nearby, then both of you can probably sing using a karaoke, because the karaoke is almost 10 minutes. So you can split the whole 10 minutes into, somewhere in the middle. Like so the first 20, so the initial jo doha hai, or 20 one person can do, and the last 20 and the tail end doha, the second person can do. So then you can do with music and everything, it'll be there. So I'll check with her. Okay.
Yeah, but the thing
before that,
is,
you should be living nearby and you should be able to do in each other's song. Otherwise, it won't be possible. Yeah.
no, we'll do it without.
Without music. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, this way you can do the full Hanuman Chalisa. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
I'll have to leave now.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Either Meenakshi or Lata M, if either of you want to.
Yes, Rambhai, 2 minutes आ रही हूँ.
Okay. So while Meenakshi is coming, Lata, you want to sing?
Yeah, I could try and sing.
Okay.
जले जा जले जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू न सखी रे जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू न सखी रे जिया जले जा जले देखते हैं तन मेरा मन में छुपती है नजर देखते हैं तन मेरा मन में छुपती है नजर होठ सिल जाते उनके नर्म होठों से मगर गिनती रहती हूँ मैं अपनी करवटों के सिलसिले क्या करूं कैसे कहूँ रात कब कैसे ढले जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू न सखी रे जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू न सखी रे जिया जले जा जले अंग अंग में जलती है दर्द के चिंगारियां मसले फूलों के महक में तितलियों के करारियां रात भर बेचारी मेहंदी पिसती है पहरों तले क्या करूं कैसे कहूँ रात कब कैसे ढले जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू न सखी रे जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू न सखी रे जिया जले नो जिया जले जा जले जिया जले जा जले
Okay. Yolanda, it is getting better. And I think in a few weeks, you should be good. And if I think certain things like, how many times it is Jia Jale, how many times, I think that hopefully with the karaoke, that will get sorted out. Because right now, I think in some places you're doing more than what is needed. But all the thing will get sorted out once we have the karaoke. Tune may actually you will need to give dhyan dena chahiye. because the tune is not exact, and so please try to focus on that. The other thing is your paragraph 2 is weaker than paragraph 1. So paragraph 2 जो है, अंग अंग में जलती है दर्द की चिंगारियां, मसले फूलों की महक में. You have to know where exactly the तितलियों की क्यारियां, रात भर बेचारी मेहंदी पिसती है पैरों तले. So you have to know where that pause is, so make sure that you're listening to that thing and understand where the breaks are. Yeah, but those are all things that will come in the next couple of weeks. It will, Monday, Thursday, Monday, Thursday करने से वो हो जाएगा. But and also practice on a daily basis. Okay. All right.
Practicing the second one as much, so I'm not familiar with the words, how they
Yeah.
flow.
Yeah, no, I could figure that out. Yeah, and so yeah, but before that, I would say stay on first paragraph and make sure that in all respects is good. In words, pause, pitch, everything is good without music. Okay, because next week we want to make it perfect. By next Thursday, I think the whole song as a whole should be good without music, because then only we can add music. Otherwise, if we add music, it'll be more confusion to learning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you mean that the first part, meaning the chorus, I should master that? And
So the paragraph 1 up to paragraph from the beginning up to the paragraph 1.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You should be good, don't worry. So Meenakshi, you're going to go, and then Divya.
I think I will go Rambai. Jai Shri Krishna, everyone.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Okay.
Okay, Ansaben, no problem.
I Giri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwavinodini Nandanute Girivaravindya Sirodini Vashini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnu Jutnute Bhagavati He Sit Kanta Kutumbini Bhuri Kutumbiri Bhuri Krute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Sailasute Suravaravarshini Durdaradarshini Durmukhamarshini Harsharate Tribhuvana Poshini Shankaratoshini Kilmishamoshini Gosharate Danujani Rodini Diti Suteroshini Durmadashoshini Sindhusute Jaya Jaya He Mahisasuramardini Ramyakapardani Sailasute Ai Jagadamba Madamba Kadamba Vanapriyavashini Hasharate Shikhari Shiromani Tunga Himalaya Shringanijalaya Madhyagate Madhu Madhure Madhu Kaitabhaganjini Kaitabhabanjini Rasharate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute Ati Satakhanda Vikhandita Runda Vitundita Shunda Gajadipate Ripu Gajaganda Vidarana Chanda Parakrama Sunda Mrigadipate Nij Bhuj Danda Nipatita Khanda Vipatita Munda Bhatapita Bhatadipate निज भुज गण दंड निपातित खंड विपातित मुंड पटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुर मर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दनि शैलसुते ऐरण दुर्मद शत्रु विधोदित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिप्रुते चतुर विचार दुरीर महाशिव त्रितकृत प्रमथाधिपते दुतकृत प्रमथा, ये मिस्टेक हो रही है, दुतकृत प्रमथाधिपते, राइट। दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दानव दूत कृतांत मते जय जय हे महिषासुर मर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ शरणागत विश्वधूवर वीरवराभय दान करे त्रिभुवन मस्तक शूल विरोधी शिरोधि कृतामल शूल करे दुमि दुमि तामर दुंदुबिनाद महो मुखरी कृत डिम करे जय जय हे महिषासुर मर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुर मर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते.
That was a very good, wonderful rendering. Meenakshi, the tone of the voice is good, because that is that क्या बोलते हैं उसको भक्ति आना चाहिए ललित आवाज में. I think it started sounding nice now. Doing right is one thing, but sounding nice is another thing. So it's good. Of course, there are some corrections you have to do. Since we are recording, you are having difficulty in the Airana Durmada, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Airana Durmada Shatruvadotita Durdara Nirjara Shakti Prite Chatura Vichara Durina Mahashiva Duta Krita Pramathadipate Duta Krita Pramathadipate. See, because Duta Krita Pramathadipate, because so that, like I know, because it's always in Sanskrit and slokas mein kahan pe break lena hai, you have to know, because word is one thing, but where do you take the break? It's a different thing. Yeah.
Dutakrita pratha pramathadipate.
Yeah. Dutakrita. ये Dutakrita नहीं.
Dutakrita.
Chatura vichara durina mahashiva Dutakrita Pramathadipate Dutakrita Dutakrita Pramathadipate.
Chatura vichara durina mahashiva Dutakrita Dutakrita.
Yeah. Chatura vichara durina mahashiva Dutakrita Pramathadipate.
Chatura vichara durina mahashiva Dutakrita.
Dutakrita नहीं.
Dutakrita. अलग से बोलना है.
No, slow है वो. Chatura vichara durina mahashiva Dutakrita. कृता के लिए टाइम कम है और दूत के लिए टाइम ज्यादा.
भेज देना.
हाँ, या
आपके साउंड में मुझे वोकल करके भेज देना ऑडियो.
हाँ. So it is दूतकृत. It is not दूतकृत. दूतकृत प्रमथाधिपते. Okay. नहीं, आपने रिकॉर्ड किया ना. You can listen to this. Yeah. Okay. It is दूतकृत. So if you look at a timestamp,
Yeah.
In the time stamp, Duta has more time and Krita has a shorter time. It is Duta Krita Pramata Dipate. Dipate is together. So if you look at the time stamp, because you'd always think कि कितना time दे रहा हूं मैं दूता के लिए और कितना time दे रहा हूं कृत्य के लिए. Okay. All right. We come to the last and the super duper ending of a super duper day. Divya, I'm happy you are here.
Thank you, Namaskar. Sorry, I'm late. It's no, but there you are.
No, but I'm happy you're here. Yeah.
जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, संकेत मिलने का भूल न जाना, मेरा प्यार ना बिसराना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, मैं पलकन डगर बुहारूंगा, तेरी राह निहारूंगा, मैं पलकन डगर बुहारूंगा, तेरी राह निहारूंगा, मेरी प्रीत का काजल तुम अपने नैनों में मले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, जहाँ पहली बार मिले थे हम, जिस जगह से संग चले थे हम, जहाँ पहली बार मिले थे हम, जहाँ जिस जगह से संग चले थे हम, नदिया के किनारे आज उसी अमवा के तले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, नी रे ग मग रे सा सा नी पप म रे ग सा नी सा ग म म प, नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं उन्हें देख के तारे खिलते, नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं उन्हें देख के तारे खिलते हैं, लेते हैं विदा एक दूजे से कहते हैं चले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, संकेत मिलने का भूल न जाना, मेरा प्यार ना बिसराना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना.
Very good. They started sounding really nice, which is great. And I'm sure it'll sound good as time goes on, and with the music, it will sound even better. Yeah.
Thank you.
So when you sang now, I remembered yesterday I wanted to comment something and I forgot. And now I'll tell you. There are two things. One, इसका second paragraph में ना line 1 और line 2 के बीच में gap नहीं है. जहां पहली बार मिले थे हम, जिस जगह से संग चले थे, you know what I'm saying? It is not जहां पहली बार मिले थे हम, जिस जगह वैसा नहीं है वो. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में वैसा है, मैं पलकन डगर बुहारूंगा तेरी तेरी राह, वो जो है. सो इसमें गैप नहीं है. जहां पहली बार मिले थे हम, जिस जगह से. सो वो द सेकेंड लाइन स्टार्ट्स राइट अवे. एंड ऑल्सो maybe you may have written it wrong. The sargam of it, it is ni re ga ma ga re sa sa ni pa pa ma re ga sa ni sa ga pa ma pa.
No, बराबर है. मैंने मिस्टेक किया था.
Oh, is it okay? Yeah, because I was not
ये
sure.
बराबर है. सा गा पा मा पा है.
Yeah, I think you were doing mama pa or
I
something.
think मामा पा बोला था.
Yeah. But होता है. ये sargam is always a very tricky thing. It happens, yeah. The best way to learn a sargam is through keyboard, because since you're playing the
Yeah,
keyboard.
I've been playing it.
Yeah.
Harmonium.
Because then also राग का भी उसमें set हो जाएगा. That's it. I think it's already. See, this is the thing, right? Without music itself, it started sounding now so nice. Everybody's song is started sounding so nice. And imagine with music, it will be really, really nice. And even after 1 month, right? It's going to be really fantastic.
Rambhai,
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you one question. मेरा जो है ना, कंदर्प अगणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरद सुंदरम, वो वहां पे स्लो में लेना है. कंदर्प
गणित गमित
छवि
नवनील नीरज सुंदरम, पटपीत मानहु तडित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम श्री राम. So wherever you drop the note, वहां से pick up करो next line. Yeah.
पर वो लाइन पे तो ये है, पर जब भज दिन बंधु आता है तो वो तो एकदम ही ऊपर लेना है ना.
वो कंटिन्यूअसली अप है.
हाँ, तो ठीक नहीं, मैंने सोचा ये फिर चेंज करना कैसे है.
या इति तुलसीदास, वो कंटिन्यूअसली अप है. दिस इज द ओनली लाइन. दिस इज टिपिकल ऑफ द आहिर भैरव का जो कंपोजिशन है. इट बिकम्स लिटिल बिट ट्रिकी टू फॉर पीपल टू डू. या
ओके, मुझे यही पूछना था कि इसमें स्लो है और वहां पे ऊपर है एकदम.
And a similar problem people have with Ayir Bhairav on in Puchonagase in the paragraph one. They always have difficulty in that line. Same issue.
Thank you.
Okay, all right, no problem. हो जाएगा. अभी तो you are almost there. So all right.
Thank you.
ठीक है.
Jai Shri Krishna to everyone.
Thank you everybody.
So I'll stop the recording.
Thank you.